Hello, everyone, and welcome to your dedicated lecture for sleep. Tonight, we journey into a world shrouded in mystery and history, a place where time seems to stand still. Settle in, get comfortable, and let my voice be your guide as we explore the story of a hidden grave. Imagine a dense, ancient forest far from the noise of the modern world. The trees here are old, their branches thick with moss, forming a canopy that filters the sunlight into gentle, dappled patterns on the forest floor. The air is cool and smells of damp earth, pine needles, and the subtle fragrance of wildflowers that bloom in hidden clearings. As you walk, the only sounds are the soft crunch of leaves underfoot, the distant call of a bird, and the gentle rustle of a breeze through the leaves. It's a symphony of nature, calming and peaceful. Our path leads us deeper into the woods, to a place forgotten by maps and seldom visited by human feet. Here, nestled amongst a cluster of ancient oak trees, lies what we've come to find. It's not a grand mausoleum or an ornate monument. Instead, it's a simple, unassuming grave, marked by a single weathered stone. The stone is covered in a soft blanket of green moss, and its edges have been smoothed by centuries of wind and rain. You can barely make out the faint, worn inscriptions, a testament to a life lived long ago. Who was this person? A forgotten knight, a lonely wanderer, a village elder with stories to tell. The records are lost to time, and that's part of the profound tranquility of this place. The grave is not a site of sorrow, but one of quiet contemplation. It represents a connection to the past, a story that has merged with the earth itself. The forest has become its guardian, protecting its secret and its peace. Let's sit for a moment near this quiet resting place. Feel the solid, steady presence of the earth beneath you. The ground is cool and firm, a foundation of stability. Watch as a single golden leaf detaches from a branch high above and drifts slowly, lazily, down to the ground. It dances on the air currents, turning and spinning in a slow, graceful descent before coming to rest near the weathered stone. Everything here moves at its own unhurried pace. There are no deadlines, no rush, just the gentle, predictable rhythm of nature. Listen closely. Can you hear the faint hum of insects? The gentle buzzing of bees as they move from one wildflower to another, collecting nectar. It's a sound of purpose, of life continuing in its simplest, most beautiful form. A small brown squirrel scampers down a tree trunk, pauses for a moment to look at us with its bright, curious eyes, then disappears into the undergrowth with a flick of its bushy tail. Life is all around us, serene and undisturbed. As the sun begins to lower in the sky, the light in the forest changes. The golden hour casts long, soft shadows across the ground. The colors become richer, deeper. The green of the moss seems more vibrant. The bark of the trees takes on a warm, reddish hue. The air grows cooler, and a gentle mist begins to rise from the forest floor, swirling around the base of the trees and the ancient gravestone. It's a magical, dreamlike atmosphere, wrapping the entire scene in a soft, ethereal blanket. Imagine running your hand over the surface of the stone. It's cool and slightly damp. You can feel the texture of the moss, soft and velvety, and the rough, grainy surface of the stone beneath. This simple act connects you to the history of this place, to the countless seasons it has witnessed. The summer suns, the autumn rains, the winter snows, the spring thaws. Each has left its mark, contributing to the serene beauty of this hidden spot. There's a sense of profound peace here. The worries and stresses of your day feel a million miles away. They can't penetrate this sanctuary of calm. Here, your mind is free to wander, to drift, to let go. There's nothing you need to do, nowhere you need to be. Just be present in this moment, in this peaceful, timeless place. Think of the roots of the great trees that surround the grave. They run deep into the earth, anchoring the trees firmly to the ground. They are a symbol of stability, of strength, of a deep and unwavering connection to the source of life. Feel your own connection to the ground, feeling grounded, stable, and secure. Just like these trees, you are strong and rooted. As dusk settles, the first star appears in the darkening sky. a tiny, glittering diamond in the vast, deep blue. It twinkles above the canopy, a silent observer of the peaceful scene below. Soon it's joined by another, and then another, until the patch of sky visible through the leaves is filled with a soft, gentle starlight. The forest is bathed in a silvery glow, creating a new kind of beauty, a quiet, nocturnal magic. The sounds of the day give way to the sounds of the night. A distant owl hoots, its call echoing softly through the trees. Crickets begin their gentle, rhythmic chirping, a soothing lullaby that fills the night air. These are the sounds of a world settling down for the night, a world at peace. And as you listen, you feel your own body and mind beginning to settle, following the natural rhythm of the world around you. The story of the hidden grave is not one of sadness but of continuity. It teaches us that everything has its cycle, its season: life, rest, and renewal. The forest embraces this cycle completely. Fallen leaves nourish the soil, new saplings grow towards the light, and life continues in an endless, beautiful loop. The grave is a part of this loop, a quiet reminder of the peaceful return to the earth. Let this sense of peace and continuity wash over you. Feel any remaining tension in your body simply melting away, dissolving into the cool night air. Your shoulders relax, your jaw unclenches, and your breathing becomes deep and slow. With each breath you take, you draw in the calm, clean air of the forest. With each breath you release, you let go of any lingering thoughts or concerns. The image of the hidden grave, serene and protected by the ancient woods, is a powerful anchor for your mind. It's a place of ultimate tranquility, a refuge from the busy world. Whenever you need to find a moment of peace, you can return to this place in your mind. You can picture the moss-covered stone, feel the cool air, and hear the gentle sounds of the forest. It will always be here for you. Now, as you lie here, comfortable and relaxed, allow yourself to drift. Let the story of the hidden grave become a part of your own journey into sleep. You are safe, you are peaceful, and you are ready for a deep, restorative rest. The ancient forest stands guard, the stars watch over you, and the quiet peace of the sacred place fills your dreams. Surrender to the gentle pull of sleep, knowing that you are in a place of perfect calm. Thank you for joining me on this journey tonight. I hope it has brought you a sense of deep relaxation. If you've enjoyed this sleep lecture, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel for more peaceful journeys. May your night be filled with tranquility and your sleep be deep and restful. Good night.